Okay, welcome America, welcome India, and welcome Taylor Swift. We are going to be doing two compound interest problems in our logarithms unit in pre-cal. And I'm planning on at some point, I hope to eject a student during class. And I'll use
It's a terrible call.
It'll probably be really loud because we're inside, but you know, we'll see what happens. Okay, so how many years will it take an investment of $10,000 to grow to $25,000 with an interest rate of 6%? So R is going to be 0.06. We're asked how many years, so T is our unknown. Our investment is $10,000. And when you see the words compounded continuously, you know you're using this formula, and that formula will be given to you. So we take our values and we plug them in, and we find that we are solving for T. Now our unknown is our exponent. So what does that tell us we are eventually going to have to do? Logarithm. We're going to have to rewrite it. Right now it's written as an exponential. Okay, so we first can divide both sides by 10,000, right? So now I'm going to get 2.5, and I'm writing in front of it, so I need to move out of the way. Which problem am I doing? Number 10. 2.5 equals e to the 0.06t. Now it's isolated, so we can rewrite it as a logarithm. So that's a log base e, so that's natural log of 2.5 equals the exponent, 0.06t. Now the exponent is, the unknown, sorry, is not in the exponent anymore, and so we can solve for it. So you divide both sides by 0.06, 0.06. If you plug this into the calculator properly, just cancel, right? So it'll be this. And you can use the TI-84 or you can use Desmos. You should get T is approximately, and so this is a rounded answer, 15.27 years. Questions? Anyone still ready? Good? All right, we're going to 14, last problem. The last problem of the day, because I have in another video, I already have recorded problem 9, which I just did in class for you, and also 13, so I'm going to move to 14. Bless you. Bless you.
Excuse me, does that make it in
And
the
this
video?
worksheet is linked on that video, when I did the problems 13 last year, 9 and 13. Okay, so let's go to 14. Oh, I need to erase this. Okay, a business purchased for $650,000 in 2014 is sold in 2017, that's 3 years, for $850,000. What's the annual rate of return for this investment? Okay, they don't say compounded continuously, so we are going to go straight into our other formula, which also will be given to you. So we've got, we sold it for $850,000. Principal was $650,000. Okay, one plus, and this is going to be R over N. N is, it just says what's the annual rate, so N is 1. So I'm just going to write R. In this case, do we know R? It's asking the annual rate. We don't know R. So R, because that's just over 1, to the NT. So N is 1 and T is 3, because between 2014 and 2017, that's 3 years. So there we go. All we've done now is plug our values in, and now we have to solve for R. So I'm going to divide both sides by this 650,000, and then I'm going to take the cube root of both sides. So really the rest is just algebra 2 stuff. So if I divide by 650, I get 85. Actually, 85 over 65 simplified on the calculator is 17 over 13. And that's equal to, I'm just trying to save space here because I'm going to run out of room, 1 plus R cubed, cube root, both sides So this just becomes 1 plus r. So now I've got the cube root of 17 over 13 equals 1 plus r. So r equals this John's minus that 1. And if you do it right, you'll get r is approximately 0.0935. So the rate is 9.35%. And I'm done. And I didn't have any reason to eject anybody. So I'm gonna have to wear my uniform on a different day.
Horrible. That's horrible.
Should I eject him?
What is that problem, Miss Helbing?
Ooh, get him off the
What is that?
field. Ref. Red card.
That was fun. It's always loud, but it's loud. It's louder in here, y'all.